While cacti may seem like tough plants that can survive just about anything, they actually require quite a bit of care if you want them to thrive. Here are some secrets to growing healthy cacti. 1. Provide plenty of sunlight. Cacti need direct sunlight in order to grow and produce flowers. If you live in a climate with long, hot summers, your cactus will do best if it's placed in a sunny spot outdoors. If you live in a cooler climate, or if you want to grow your cactus indoors, place it near a south-facing window where it will receive plenty of sunlight. 2. Allow the soil to dry out completely between watering. Cacti are succulents, which means they store water in their stems and leaves. As a result, they don't need to be watered very often. In fact, overwatering is one of the most common mistakes people make when growing cacti. Water your cactus only when the top inch or so of soil is dry to the touch. 3. Don't fertilize too often. Cacti don't need a lot of fertilizer, and too much can actually do more harm than good. If you decide to fertilize your cactus, use a very diluted solution and apply it only once every month or two. 4. Protect your cactus from cold weather. Cacti are native to warm desert climates, so they're not very tolerant of cold weather. If you live in an area that gets frost in the winter, it's best to grow your cactus indoors where it will be protected from the cold. 5. Be careful when handling cacti. The spines on some cacti can be quite sharp, so it's important to handle them with care. If you need to move your cactus, or if you want to repot it, be sure to wear gloves to protect your hands.